I'm Peter Dietrich, Environmental Health Supervisor for the Plata County Public Health Department. So you've decided to test your home for radon. Great. Please take a couple of minutes and watch this short instructional video on how to get your home tested. The only way to know if your home has radon is to get it tested. So thanks.
When it comes to protecting your family's health, you want the very best. With over 10 million radon kits sold worldwide, AirCheck provides you with the most trusted test available today. Before you begin your test, here's what comes in the test kit package. The plastic cardboard sampler packet, which serves as the data collection form, test device, and return mailer, and also the instruction and information sheet. After reading the instructions, take the sampler packet along with a pen and go to the lowest occupiable level of your home to determine where you will place the test device. Remove the plastic and discard. Enter the required pre-test information on the sampler packet where indicated. When choosing the best location for your test, be sure to avoid areas of high humidity like bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, and wet basements. Also avoid exterior walls, heat, and air conditioning vents, windows, doors, and hallways, and direct sunlight and heat sources such as stoves, heaters, and fireplaces. When choosing a test location, it is suggested that you place the kit at a height of 2 feet to 5 feet from the floor, on a centrally located wall or a nightstand or similar object. Prepare the sampler by squeezing the sides and pushing down on the inner cardboard piece. Do not remove the draft shield from the sampler packet. Using the attached hook, hang the sampler packet in the selected location. At the end of the test period, unhook the sampler packet. Remove the brown cardboard draft shield, carefully avoiding turning the packet upside down. Fold down the flap, removing the cover strip to expose the adhesive, and press the top closed to form an airtight seal. Promptly send your test device to the AirCheck lab for analysis. For more information, visit radon.com.
If your results from your radon tests are below 4 picocuries per liter, there's nothing else you need to do. Your home should be safe, but we do recommend testing annually. And we'll be providing this program as many times as we can. If your results are between 4 and 8 picocuries per liter, the EPA recommends doing a long-term test, and that generally goes from 3 months to 12 months. If you have results that are above 8 picocuries per liter, we would like to retest your home again with a short-term test to verify that the first test was valid. If your secondary results are above 8 picocuries per liter, we do recommend getting your home mitigated for radon. This is relatively inexpensive compared to other household expenditures, and it's a great investment on your health. If you wrote your email on your test kit, you should be able to access those test results on your own. If you're having trouble, please contact our office and we'll assist you in getting those results.